Oh snap, that burned. I swear I hate this fork, man. Anybody else have those problems where you got a fork just right here that you just can't get rid of, and you really want to know what would be the cause of getting this out? Now let me share something with you guys. All right, I seen something. I'm gonna be honest. I seen something on the internet where this dude did this hot comb method, and he put a hot comb to his waves. And I never seen the results. I don't think anyone has ever seen the results. And I'm just curious, did it work? You know what I'm saying? So I saw this thing at Walmart, right? It was a hot comb beard type of comb thing. And I was like, it kind of got me to thinking like, is it possible? You know what I'm saying? Anything is possible. Is it possible to break a fork with a hot comb? Hey, listen, if you guys don't want to try it, I'll be the test dummy and try it. I'll do it for y'all. I'll take the fall. So right now, let me get ready real quick. Let me go to Walmart real quick and pick it up, man. Let's go. We about to do this. I ain't gonna lie, I'm scared. I'm a little scared. I ain't even gonna hold you. I'm a little nervous. But hey, let's do it. I'm gonna be the test dummy. Let's go. Wrong place. Nice haircut. Oh my goodness. Man, this ain't Walmart. I'm back at the house. All right. Let's give it another try. My hip is hurting. All right, let's give it another try. No. Jumping through these portals is difficult, okay? It's very difficult, okay? Let me finish this haircut real quick first, okay? And then we'll get back. I'll jump back. How about that? Alright, you guys, let's go. Man, this teleporting stuff ain't even working, man. Let me get my mask, man. Let me see if I run. Let me see if I can get a good head start. In the baby section. Let's go somewhere else. Not again. I gotta finish one more haircut, okay? We're gonna jump back. Alright, we're done. Let's go. Wait, bro, wait. What? It has not been working, bro. I think you should give it up. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Give it up. I'm done here. I need to go over there. I understand that, but it hasn't been working. I know it hasn't been working, okay? You don't have to keep bringing it up. I know it hasn't been working, okay? We're just gonna give it another try. How about that? How about no, okay? Come on, bro. Man, see? Let me see the cut. You want to see what it look like? Let me at least see what it looks like. After we see what it look like, I'll jump back. How about that? Right, come on, man. You could just easily get in your car and go to the store. That cut is clean. That cut is nice. I like the shape. Nice shape. So all of you jumping back and forth, bro, cut it out. Don't even do that. That's all you get, man. That's all you get. That's all I need. All right, let's start it. Let's start it. All right. Hold on. We're in the dog area. Let me get Blue a treat real quick. blue here. All right. Let's try this. Let's try this. Let me jump back. Matter of fact, here, Jared. Here.
Thank you. Here, Dad.
Thank you, Jared. Alright, you guys, listen up. Listen, I didn't really get this from Walmart, okay? Even though they do have one, alright? Gamma ended up sending me this. Shout out to Gamma. I really am just curious if this will kind of get rid of my forks or anything like that. You never know, alright? It's called Heat Stroke, alright? And it's basically for the beard, but we're gonna try it for the waves, alright? Let's go. Alright, you guys, so next, we're gonna set this to 90. We're gonna set it to 90. And then, basically, we're just going to set it down real quick until it gets hot enough to be at 390, alright? For now, we're just going to take off the waves, do a slight little brush session, alright? Let's do it.
I can believe it the way you are. Anybody does something that much and that long and it's that good, it's got to pay off. Can't go there and do nothing but blow up. The main thing is getting to do something that you really love to do. But it'd be important to remember that giant looks in the mirror. HustleDreamProduction.
I am the tigers, the thrill of the fight, rising up to the challenge of our rival. And the last known survivor stalks his prey in the night, and he's watching us over the eye of the tiger.
Alright, you guys, so I think it's hot. I think it's hot by now. Let's just try to see if it will straighten anything out. Okay, let's. Woo! Alright, hold on, let me. Oh, this thing is hot. This is hot, hot. So let me just. First, let me just graze it real quick to see what it do. Oh, snap, it's actually heating up. It's actually heating up, though. Oh, snap. It actually don't hurt, though. Surprisingly, like, rubbing it against my hair, this ain't hurting. Oh, snap. Let me see. It ain't getting better, but dang, hold on now. Wait a minute. Let me hold it there for a little longer. This thing is actually smoking up, though. Ain't nothing really happening, though. Ain't nothing too bad happening. It ain't like it's straightening my hair out too. It ain't bad. Let me hold it though. Let me hold it. I know y'all like hold it there a little longer. At this point, y'all just want to see me fail. You know what I'm saying? Y'all just want to see my waves get all straightened out, just fall off, don't have no waves no more. But the saddest thing is this thing is actually burning. I mean, it's not burning, but it's actually like, I don't know. It dang near look like it's helping though, to be honest with you. Hey, if this worked, new method, man. Hot comb method. Hot comb method. Hot coma fork. That's my method. Hot coma fork. Okay? That's what we're gonna call it. If I break this fork right here with this hot comb, we're gonna call it hot comb a fork. That's my new method. And the craziest thing is actually looking like, I don't know, I mean, it's probably too early to tell, but something is happening. I don't know. I'm wondering, should I turn up the heat? Oh no, it's already on 420. Oh! The whole time it was already on 420. Dang, I was wondering why it was hot. I thought it's supposed to be on 390. I mean, it don't get too hot. Don't get too much higher than 420. So, I guess we at the heating stage. Let me see. I don't know, man. I don't know. What do y'all think? It got my waves feeling a little differently. I mean, just a little more flattened. It definitely flattens out my waves. It definitely did something. It definitely feels more flat right here. It don't feel like as bumpy. You know how you get the ripples, that ripple effect? It's definitely not that right here. All right, it's definitely straightened out. I don't know. I'm gonna keep y'all updated though. Let me get a brush real quick. Let me brush this real quick. I don't know. I'll keep y'all updated on it though. I'll definitely keep y'all updated. Hey, I don't know. This almost looking like a winner chicken dinner. I see progress. I don't know. Even this whole slant right here. Look at that. It looked different. My whole lineup looked different. Especially on this side. Come on. Ooh, let me hot comb this side real quick. Hold on real quick. Ooh, I think I got something. Before y'all get y'all haircut, better hot comb y'all front edges. Y'all might want to hot comb y'all front edges. Y'all need to pick this up. Hold on now. I'm on to something here. Let me see. I'm dang near on to something right now. What you mean? Woo! I can honestly say I ain't got rid of the fork though. But my hair is laid, bro. I ain't even gonna hold you. My hair in the front is laid, and you could tell this right here. This wasn't sticking out like that before. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna freshen up my haircut. But this one right here wasn't sticking out before like that. My lineup is laid flat. I don't know whether y'all can see that or not, but my lineup is laid flat, bro. In the comment section below, let me know. Are you guys trying this? I can't knock it. You know what I'm saying? I can't honestly knock it. I'm gonna keep y'all updated though. I'm gonna keep trying it though. Why not? I'm gonna keep y'all updated, all right? If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. You're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. Hey, 360 Jeezy V1, still available on the website. Get yours while supplies last, okay? Because in a minute, it's about to sell out. I'm gonna be honest. In a minute, it's about to sell out. So make sure you go pick yours up at www.360jeezy.com. It's your boy 360 Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Peace.